Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel of Forex Affairs for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as minus gold, silver, copper, crude, Bitcoin. So before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to DXY. So last week we discussed about this triangle, right? The fourth wave triangle. But it is now, it's a deeper correction it is going on. So whether the fourth wave is still ahead, and last time I informed this. In fact, we are expecting this wave, but if it did like this, I don't have any view. We have to wait for the clear structure to complete, then only we can come to the conclusion. So far it is doing the same thing, but it is not yet broken this low what it made the previous. But even though if it breaks that also, it is still valid for the fourth wave, because the 1 2 3 and we are not yet touched that wave 1 high of 94.57. so that is the invalidation point. So for now we have to keep like that. But it is a lot of people can ask and are having the doubt, and it is an beyond that trend line, right? It's a 1 2 3, and the equidistant channel is also, it's already broken. So how we have to make it, and whether how can we conclude this is the fourth wave or not? See, until it is not yet touched, that is still valid for the fourth wave. Sometimes that is why I have already several times I informed that all wave counts and this kind of trend lines, sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. I will give you the example of US 30. See here, we drawn the previous channel here. If we did see this one, right? Now this is the fourth wave, and we kept this as a third wave. We have to join this channel here. So it is not, it's coming according to that this kind of technical tools. And here also we kept this as a 1 2, so 1 2 3, and here also see, if we just clone this here, from here exactly it need to bounce for the fifth wave, right? At least from here. But it failed and it's broken the equidistant channel after this 1 2 3. So 4 we kept this here, and it is not yet touched that wave 1 high. So until that it is still valid, and I kept this as a 1 2 3 4, and it is already did that fifth wave here. So here how I did this as a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the formation of a wedge formation for the fourth wave, sorry, for the third wave of this fifth wave. So like this it may happen in DXY. And near to my house the construction is going on, so a little bit disturbance may happen, so apologies for that. But because I need to do this today itself and I have a lot of works, so until this, if it is touched this only, then we have to consider this as an invalidation. So this view may get invalid. Until this, it can do one more low to break this, and for the fifth wave it can do as it is. What I'm expecting the next resistance zone is the 97.8 or to 98 I'm expecting. So now in that 1 hour chart, it is not yet broken this low, right? So next Monday and a lot of banks holidays there, so there may be a volatility may occur, and if it bounces like this, there is still chances for making a triangle. So this is the A, this is the B, so this is the C, D, E, and later onwards the E, and then it can shoot. So this is a bigger consolidation, it's going on until it breaks this low, and until this breaks this high, we can't come to the conclusion. So wait for this to break in either side. So either it has to break this low, so then that is also considered as a fourth wave to complete, and then fifth wave has to shoot for that 98. So far, if we get deeper in the interior channel, it looks like, see, everything, it is looking like a three-way structure. And it is also, so I am expecting from here, and it is looking like a triangle, but it is already, it's got invalid, means this channel, sorry, this triangle is got invalid. So but this is in the bigger picture, it is seems like it's still valid. So A, B, so if it is not yet broken, that could be a C also. So the bigger picture is, it could be the bigger C wave. So wait for this to break, and if you come to the Euro USD, right, it's already broken the high. So in that, this is got invalid now in this triangle in Euro USD, but DXY, it is still valid. So what we can expect, as per my view here, the triangle is get invalid, and I expected, if it is and I already informed that several weeks before itself, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the B wave, it's still going on. These are all the B waves. So C wave, like 5-way structure, can happen here. I inform that you just go through and just check. Everybody, we are thinking, including myself, it's looking like a triangle, and we are looking for the fourth way, could be a triangle, and it is can do like this. Lot of times, what we are, the high probabilities triangle will be break in the our contrarian view. So we, and I inform this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like a 5-way structure, and I'm not going to keep this as a 3-way structure. But the market is, if it did like that, what I expected, we have to conclude this as a 5-way structure, this 3-way structure. But now it is clearly seen, right? So either this could be that 1, 2, 3, right? So now it's a bigger correction, it is going on. That's, we are already seen that. So either A, B, C, D, E. So this could be the inner, this triangle. See, this is the A, B, C, D, E. So if this is a triangle and it is broken, so this is the impulsive wave. So this is the corrective wave, and we are in that like this. So 1, 2, 3, after that 4, and one more high. So this will become the kind of 5-way structure. So this is also the 5-way structure, and this is the connecting wave for the B as a triangle, and that C can do, it can reach up to that 1.1440, right? So this is my view, and that exactly what we are expecting. This trend line may take this as a resistance, and we are expecting this one. So until it breaks this is the invalidation zone so far. So 1.5 535, you can make it this as a stop loss, and look for that one more way to the downside to reach 1.09. 1.09. So let's move on to GBP USD. See what I informed, that it's reaching there. So I'm expecting, whether this is ABC is completed, we can expect one more bigger 3-way structure, or if this is the end of the correction, it may come to downside from here itself to break this low. But I'm not trading nowadays the GBP USD, that you know very well. Not only this, only the 2 times I did, but not recently. So I'm not much concentrated in GBP USD, but it can be C, A, B and C. So if it is a W, so X can be a little bit bigger also, it can go up to that 1.395 or 1.4 also. So then this become a bigger flat correction. It's a ABC is a A, so ABC is a B, then C can come to the downside. So until this is the invalidation point here, apart from this. And if you are looking for the A, B and C is a 1, so it can be 2 also here, then 3, 4, 5. So There is a lot of possibilities we can make it, but the market has to do for that the real structure and the pattern that we have to understand. So as of now, this one is a perfect ABC equal to CD pattern here. It's perfect one three-way structure. So why not we can expect the another bigger three-way structure here to reach that 1.980. It can be if it is broke this channel, the downward channel, or if we see here also, we just clone this, place it here. It's a perfect, right? So either this could be the connecting way, again it can come to the downside maybe, or it can break a retest and again one more high for the 1.4 maybe. So anything, I'm expecting that bigger correction here. So same thing happening in USD, AUD USD also. So what we are expecting is a 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the A. So ABC is a B, and we are in the C way, means it's a 1, and this is the invalidation level for that wave 2 to complete here within this zone, and I am expecting 3 4 and 5, but it won't happen here sometimes, because here it is not, it's looking like an aggressive impulsive wave, but sometimes, and where we are getting rejected means exactly in that 1272 here. So either the B wave is still ahead, means this could be the A, B, so then C, one second, sorry, yeah, this kind of C, and then D, and then E, and then it can should. So everything, it is looking like a consolidation. Everything I am looking for the bigger consolidation here happening. It has to happen here. But in the case, see, we are expecting possibilities, everything we can expect, we can think, we can predict, we can hope everything. But tomorrow, on Monday or Tuesday, market will do like this. It's a possible simple one, and then it will become simple. If you are expecting the more complex, market can give the simple, and we may miss this also. But if we are very eager, only this can happen, means it can do like this. How that New Zealand CAD is doing, what I expecting, it is already it is doing that same thing. And one more, why I am expecting the bigger consolidation here, it's we are looking only for that a 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart daily. And if you look in that, sometimes see in that, if you go, I will just hide all the my labelings. See 1 2, and I kept this as a 3 4 and 5. So I complete the 1 2 3 4 5 way structure within this. But if you hide this, looking into the weekly chart, it looks like 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here a lot of doubts can be, including myself. It's here it meets that this low and this high. So if we can this as a 1 2 3 4 5, so here the fourth wave is touching the wave 1. So either if it is in the 1 2 3 4 5 in that leading diagonal pattern, maybe, right? So this could be ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC 3 is a 4, ABC 5, so 4 and 5. So if it is everything, it is a 3 way structures, it is allowed to overlap the wave 1 and wave 4 here. So in that case, if it is the whole bigger picture is could be the 5-way structure, but we kept this as a 5-way structure is completed here, right, in the smaller time frame. That is why I hide and unhide every time, each and every time. We see, I'll hide this, we kept this 1 2 3 4 and 5. But in the bigger picture, in the weekly, if I hide this, sometimes 1 2 3 4 and 5. So either it could be possible, means we can expect the bigger consolidation here. So A is completed, B. Otherwise, as we what already placed the wave count here as a A, so this could be the B as a triangle, and C can come to the downside maybe. Otherwise, if it is the B way is already completed here, yeah, here it's A, so the B is already completed here. So C can be a 5-way structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can come in either side. Anything is possible. See, here also we expected the bigger correction, but it didn't happen. Once the 5-way structure happens, I expected the bigger correction, but it didn't happen. A, B, C, and it did a simple one. So again, W, X, A, B, C, everything it did a simple one here. So maybe it can do like simple, and it can reach my target of to break that 0.5506. So that is also possible. So we will move on to New Zealand, and I already sharing my view of New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, Euro, GBP, USD. So everything in that bigger, that is my new year view. And for the past 1 year, for the last year also, I keep on explaining that, and I already shared my screenshot in all my pages and my Telegram channels also, I think so. So if I didn't done, I will again share my view for the 20 pace. It's already on the way for to reach the target, but it will took time. So I will share my view from the past 1 year, what we are looking for that Australian dollar, all the 20 pace, it's already something, it's already achieved the target, and something is on the off way, and Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, it's nearly in the offer. So only the 25% is target is reached. See, from the last 1 year here, the February, it is did 1 year only this much correction, right? It's keep on raining. So we can expect more bearish price action here. So here, from here, see, from the March to 1 year, the impulsive wave, it's reached aggressively. But for this, it will took only the 25% of the correction. So that means it's a little bit draining, but I'm not looking for that one more bullish way to break this high. I'm not expecting that, but it may or may not. My bias is it's going to reach to the downside. So correlation to all the pace. So here it will took more time in my view. So here also, and I will show you the example of here. Going to the downside, how much time it took? Nearly September 16th to here in this zone. September 16th, right? For this zone, again the February 18th, nearly 1.5 years it took, and then only it will come to the downside. And here also the same, from here August 11th, July 14th. Look at this. So it won't come immediately to the downside. It may took maybe 1 year. For the next year, maybe I can review this. Maybe at that time it may reach the target also. So until we have to trade in that kind of perspective, either I'm looking for the positional means, I will looking only for that sell trade setup. So for the what we are going to do this week, right? So here it looks like a 3-way structure, and I'm not accepted this as a 3-way structure, but the market is compulsory. We have to make it this as a 3-way structure, right? If it is an impulsive wave and this is a 3-way structure, and if it is an impulsive wave, no need to break one more high, and we already explained that. Again it did the 3-way structure, and again one more impulsive wave. So it is making the 3-way structure. So either this is the ABC is a A, so whether this is a B, C, B, and one more impulsive wave like this. But if we kept this as a Fibonacci retracement for this wave, we are still below that 1618. So sometimes if this is the A means, so the whole thing becomes a B and one more C. Later onwards this become the correction, and one more A, B, C can happen, or either it could be a C wave also. So wait for this to complete. That is the only thing we have to wait for, this structure to complete. Otherwise we can make it. See, we know the Elliott waves, even though we no need to force that chart. If we kept this as again the three-way structure, so we can make it this as a ABCA, ABC is a B, and ABCC means C contains of only that five-way structure. So again we can make it this as a W, X, then Y. After that it could be the X and Z way means again one more three-way structure. So then only it will be a conclusion of this a W. So X, Y, X, Z. So at that time, if we kept this as an say once again, yeah, from here we come to this is below that one level only. So here if we took this as an again, this is also below the one level. So anything it can do happen below that only, but if it is breaks this one level is a 100 level, then that will be anything else. It won't be like a WXYZ. We can see, we can do it WXYZ or XZ, anything whatever you can do. But the real price action is one impulsive, means we need a correction, three-way structure, and again the three-way structure. After this one impulsive means again here I'm expecting the one impulsive wave. That's the thing I'm expecting. Here is the ABC is a A, so the whole thing becomes a B, and again one more, whether it is a W means this could be the X and then Y. Otherwise if we kept this as a this could be the B, means we see only the contents of five-way structure. So I'm expecting only the correction here. That's the thing. Making this as a stop loss, looking for the downtrend, for the positional. For the intraday, or if you are making for the week trade, means going for this as a stop loss and make sure it can reach up to that 7050 or up to the 71 also. But if you do making this as a stop loss, sometimes the market will do tricky. It will hit you a stop loss and again it can go. After that one more low. So the correction can happen in either a pattern, lot of patterns in the correction, you know very well. So in the shorter term time frame, see this is not yet broken this low, but it seems like a one impulsive wave it did, and it's looking like a kind of wedge formation here it is doing. So either 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 it is doing, but here it is an impulsive way, but it is not yet broken this low. So a lot of confusion it is going on here. So I'm not able to count, really I'm not going to count this one. Just wait for this, because if the final three-way structure, and if we kept this as a truncated, see I didn't see any truncated so far. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we kept this as a truncated, means that whole impulsive wave is ended here. That's it. And we are in that correction part. So either this is a three-way structure, and again I'm looking only for this, but market will do like this, and then one more low, and then again one more high. So then this will become the three-way structure. So the correction is very difficult to find out and to catch that also. Only if you are too good in the correction, only then you can catch the impulsive wave. So I'm looking, see my bigger picture says only through the downside, but I'm waiting for that picture to end, to enter in that sell trade setup again. That's it. So I think I'm going very deeply, so we can finish a little bit fast. So USD JPY still 1, 2, 3. So we are in the fourth wave. Allow this to make. That's it. If you again and again you forcing everything, and if you are looking for the all that waves to trade, it's a very difficult in my view. So here one three-way structure is got completed, but here it looks like one impulsive wave. So again I'm expecting one more down wave, but what happen means it can do, it can break the high and it may do like this. After that one more high. So why I'm expecting this drop and it's correlated to the gold, and gold is also reaching, and here the UJ is also climbing. Gold is already reached the 1826-28 level, but even though gold is rising from that 1785 zone, and here from the FOMC, right, from the 1757, I think 53, it is climbing. USD JPY is also climbing. So there is no correlations in the market, and because of that, maybe from the New Year, Christmas. So and I need to wish you to everybody, because I forget that also. So happy New Year to everyone, and this year may bring more profit with the education, something you can learn and you can find the aha moment. So thanks for watching for this video also, and there are a lot of people are sharing, and a lot of people are uh, uh, messaging me as a privately. So if I had a really time to something I'm answering and something I'm not answered yet, because I'm too busy in my stocks also, in Indian stocks, as well as this one, and my own business also. So and mentoring everything, I'm just keep on watching and keep on doing everything. It's a very aggressively and very loudly, and I love this Elliott waves. So wait for this, the fourth wave to complete, and then that my target is reaching to nearly to the 119 and above. So at least I'm expecting sorry this so sorry yeah, this 786, 118 to 120, within this I am expecting. So before that, yeah, sorry, I just add in a glass of water. So here it's, I'm expecting the fourth wave, maybe a running triangle or a running flat, or it could be an expanded flat. Just wait for this, and make sure that I'm expecting that 118 point that target is to reach, to break that 118.66. So, and I already sharing that all positional chart for already did that. So you just go through that and have a look for that also, what my view, and it is still valid for that. So USD chef, see USD chef also I already bought, and I already informed, right, I won't place a stop loss, but I bought here, I think, yeah, I bought here. But what it did, it already broken that, and again it bounced. So now this is the clear picture. 1, 2, 3. So this is the correction, and this is the correction. So this is the one impulsive wave, this is the B, and C is already completed exactly. And what I did here is I bought it here, something here I think I bought, but I explained that also, expecting one more high. After that it can to the downside also, but now it's already broken this low also. So now what I'm expecting here, it's already did a three-way structure here. So one impulsive wave, one three-way structure, and beyond the one impulsive wave. So this A, B, C is a one correction part is already completed, and again it is did, means this could be the connecting wave. So we can expect one more three-way structure to break either, or to break this way, this structure. But here it took more time taken. So the connecting wave is also, it could be again be one more connecting wave, and one more wave it can do like this, whether it is going to break this or may not. So within this only it is market is doing within this range only. So as so far one three-way structure is got completed. So for this again it will do connecting wave, and one more downside is also possible. Otherwise for this impulsive of one structure of ABC, and this could be the connecting wave, and one more ABC, that is also possible. So I am looking only for that to break this high. But before that, what we expected, if it did like this, and I will be again be and buy side to buy here. If it breaks the low, right, if it breaks this low, then the whole thing of the correction, so this could be how to make it this as a W, this as a X, so this as a Y. So one impulsive, this is the correction, and one impulsive. So then this is the W, X, so Y. After that, I am expecting one more high to break this high, and my target is 1.00. So next, USD CAD. See what I expect. I am expect from this also, right? And this could be the connecting wave. And if it did like the three-way structure, and it can be like this, right? But see, if we make it this as a like a such a kind that is not an clear corrective structure. If we keep this as an one more three-way, it is doing the three-way structure, right? And here also it did three-way structure, and here it's one impulsive wave. So still we are in the correction part only, but sometimes see, sometimes that is why I just keep on always be see lot of patterns it is doing. So either this could be the wave 1, so this could be the 2 here, if the wave 1 is 2. So here also the one impulsive wave 3. So this is the impulsive wave correction wave 4 and 5. So this, whether this could be the leading diagonal of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either this is the end of the C. If we kept this as a 5-way structure, so this is the complete B wave structure. So this is the C, end of the C, or this is the 3-way structure, right? So either still we are in the correction part, again it can do. So one impulsive wave it's already did for the correction, and we are already broken this high, means either it's looking like a one kind of wedge formation here and the 5-way structure. So if this is a B, C means, but see, even though if it is already broken the high means, so sometimes it could be possible, it could be, but most of the time the structure what I'm expecting here is this could be the A, B. So C1 is completed, and we are the second wave. So third, fourth, and fifth, it can do like this. It may be, but it's all depends upon that depending on that DXY. So how the DXY it will react. Then only we can come to the conclusion whether it is going to make a or like a 5-way structure, and for that it can be a stop loss. But still, if it is a 3-way structure or whatever it is, and again it is doing that thing. So whether this is a 3-way structure, so this could be a 3-way structure, and again it can break this low or may not. So then this will become the correction part. So what I am expecting here is only the bullish wave, but the structure is not yet completed here. So always I am telling that the structure is not completed, and the pattern we have to watch everything, right? See what here I expected, it could be a irregular flat also, and it is already broken the high. So this is the completion of that C wave, it could be, but I am not expected the 5-way structure, but it is did the 5-way structure here. So that is my worrying, whether this is a, B, and C is a 1, or this could be the bigger one, bigger 2, and this could be the smaller one and smaller 2 it's playing, and later onwards it can be considered like that a DXY, it can be. See how we kept this as a 1 or A, B, and then it's a smaller 1, smaller 2, and we are in that building that 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. So like that in USD CAD also possible. So whether this could be the bigger one or A, B, and we are in that C of wave 1, or this could be the third wave of the wave 1. So wait for this, and making this as a stop loss, you can go for that again. But if you did this as a stop loss, what it will do, If it is a three-way structure, this is also three-way structure, one more three-way structure, it can break this and that will become an expanded flat, and then again it can bounce. So the stop loss is only this for me as a positioner. So what else we need to do is AUDJPY, CAD-JPY. So what we expected, right? One second. AUDJPY. Yeah, it is doing the same. So this is the pattern. That's it. No need to explain everything again and again the same. Whether this is the end of the fifth wave, but I'm not expected that. So let's wait to break out this zone, and you have to watch for that UJ also. So UJ also I'm expecting the downside, and the gold is going to reach that 1840 zone. So then it will become again bearish here, and after that, once the completion of that triangle, or see, this could be the A, B, C, so this could be the D, E. We are looking for this kind of triangle, but what sometimes happening means this could be the triangle, and after the small E wave, it can shoot from here itself. We are expecting the bigger triangle, and once the three-way structure is got completed here, right? So this is the triangle. One second. Yeah. So A, B, C, D, E. So once this is got completed, and we can expect one more A, B. One second. Yeah, B and C. So this is a completed WXY exact pattern for the 5-way corrective pattern. So CJ, CAD-JPY, same pattern, nothing changed. Say if we took it this as a, if you bought here, right, and this is the impulsive wave, and if you make this as a stop loss and this is the wave 1, what it did, it hit your stop loss and again it bounced. So this is the one impulsive wave for the correction wave path, 3-way correction. So again it can do like this. So then this will become the expanded flat, and one more possible later onwards from here again, like a CJ, sorry, like AJ, it could be that bigger correction, or this could be the end of the thing and we are expecting only that the downside. AJ, I'm looking for that triangle, right? So whether this could be also making the CJ also triangle, and then one more high is also possible. So here also ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3. So the fourth way is still ahead. It is not yet completed. That is the thing you have to understand. So whether the fourth way is already ended, ABC, the fifth way, it's also possible. But the fourth way is not yet completed, again in the formation of the irregular flat formation, and one more fifth way ABC, and again it can break this high also. So then that will become like this. So then let us also 1, 2, 3, so 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we can make that picture. It's a pattern. So wait for this. That's it from my side, and we can look it for that New Zealand CAD. See, one impulsive wave, and this is the correction part. So what I'm expecting again, like this WXY or whatever it is, I'm expecting this consolidation. So only the consolidation is completed, only I can again look for the short. So until that, if it breaks this low, so what is my view? I'm not expecting it may possible, but even though if it breaks here, again it can bounce like this. So then we have to, first we can watch this how it is making, because my view is only the 3-way structure. Either it could be in a triangle, or it could be in, because it's already broken this. So again one impulsive way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means if it is a 5-way structure, Definitely this could be that ABC is a ABC is a B, so C is a five-way structure. So then the C will be a, either it could be an expanded flat if it breaks the high, or if it is within this five-way structure, it is got completed here, and this could be the end of the B, and we are looking for the triangle, it may come to the downside from here itself. So then this will become that running flat. So this is the impulsive wave, this is the flat correction, and then one impulsive wave to the downside, or either it could be a triangle. So Euro New Zealand, same pattern, no change here. I'm expecting only to the downside, then only I will look for this, otherwise it has to break, then only I will look for this. Until that, there is no valid to explain here. So next is US 30. So as I expected, it did the new high, right, what we expected, and I informed that within this, again I understand the three-way structure also, but it is already broke the high. So it looks like a three-way structure. Now it is not yet completed, but it looks like a three-way structure, right? It's not yet completed. So whether it is going to do like this bigger correction, so then what I explained the previous week also, it could be a triangle, or if it did the five-way structure from like this, again if it reached here, there is a chances for making this as a fourth wave, and one more fifth wave is also ahead still. Otherwise the fourth wave, whether this is the wave 1 and this could be the wave 2, so lot of possibilities I'm expecting. So we expected this as a third, right? That could be also possible. Or if we kept this as a 1 2, so whether this is the second wave is still here as a running flat, and we are in the third wave of that's bigger wave also, if it is the fourth wave is ended here. So lot of possibilities it's there, but the bigger picture, what that is the thing you have to understand, the bigger picture. I'm looking for 40,000. My target of the previous is 36,000 is already got achieved, but even though why I'm looking here, it's 1 2, so 3 4 we are in that. Once the fourth wave is got completed, because the second wave is very simple here, so I'm expecting the bigger consolidation for the fourth wave, then the fifth wave to reach nearly the 40,000, 39,000 to 40,000 I'm expecting after this consolidation. That will also be a five-way structure in it. So let's move on to US oil. I think I need to do the Bitcoin. So the same pattern, it is doing the same. Nothing changed here. ABC and C. So one flat correction is got completed. So now what we can expect, the three-way structure. But if this is the five-way structure, that is why I already informed the previous itself whether this is the five-way structure, but it is not looking like a five-way structure. So that is why I took it this as a ABCA, ABCB, and C, the one impulsive wave, and I already exited my position, 50% of my position at a 73 zone, and I already booked that 69 25% and 73 25%. I'm still holding that, so I'm not sure about that. I again it will do one more three, not sure about that, it won't break this. So here that same as well as the previous view, the third and fourth could be a triangle, because it is doing only the three-way structure here so far. So here also it is not yet completed. So again tomorrow or Monday or this week, whether it is doing, one second, yeah, again if it shoots, so we have to consider this as ABCA, ABC is a B, and beyond that C wave only. So whether this is a wave 1 or intermediate wave, so wait for this to enter, means it's not here to enter. I'm very eager to book the profit, the remaining 50% nearly in this zone. So if it not what we expected, if it is coming to this zone, again what I will do is, again I will accumulate what I did in the 69 and 73. I will accumulate the 50%, making this as a stop loss. That's it. And again we can uh, look for this impulsive way, and I will book the profit. I won't allow to, because it's not looking like an impulsive way to make this as a fifth way to reach here itself up to the 91. It is a bigger consolidations. We are in the bigger consolidation. So we will see the Bitcoin BTC. One second. Bitcoin in Bitfinex. See here, it's already broken the high here. After that, impulsive way. Now the three-way structure, an impulsive way. So again we can expect the three-way structure, again one impulsive way, later onwards one impulsive way, later onwards like this. See, we can draw everything and possibilities, but the market will do the create something. It's apart from you, what you are thinking. So here also in the bigger picture we bounced. So wait for this, making this as a stop loss. Wait for this bounce. So either the fourth way is got completed here, or still we are in that fourth way, this fourth way. And I have already explained the last week also. So you just go through that, and then you can come to know that same pattern is still valid, but because it is not yet broken this low, means again it's looking like a three-way structure. Here also it's looking like a three-way structure. So either this could be the A, B, C, D, E, later onwards this third way, and this will be the fourth way and fifth way to break the high nearly to the 72,000, and later onwards that is the end of this bigger third way. So then bigger fourth way in pack. So I think we can move for the gold. Here I need to explain what I thought. This is the could be the irregular flat formation, right? Expanded flat in wave B, but again it's already broken. And that time also what I explained, this could be the one, and I won't place a stop loss as I said. And what I did here is, once this three-way structure, I booked my profits, but I still holding that 1790 where I short. I kept still there, and what I booked that what I shorted at 1805 and 1814, I booked the profit here. And I already informed in my forum also, one of the forum. So I booked the profit here itself at 1796. I booked the profit. So now why I booked the profit means something I felt whether this could be the correction part. And I already informed, this looks like a, maybe we can force it, it can be 1 2 3 4 5, but somewhat it looks like a correction. So the three-way structure, and it should be that the five-way structure, or it can make a three-way structure, and here it's perfectly bounced from 17, right? And I booked that, because why I booked in 78.6, I booked the profit. So as I expected, that is why the see, even though if we can predict whatever, but sometimes at the presence of mind, something it worked well, and what I thought, from here it bounced, even though it came low, but I didn't book the profit for the 1790 what I short. I didn't book the profit, because see, sometimes if I fail means my calculations fail means it can do like this, then you may miss all the profits, right? And then we will scold. So now how I have to change this, right? So now, whether this is the end of the third way, this is the end of the third wave. See, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, so this could be the third, and fourth could be the triangle. This is the only way we have to come to the conclusion. So 1 2, so 3, A B C D E, the fourth wave is got completed, and here we seen the clearly the 5-way structure. So 1 2 3 4 5. So now the 5-way structure is got completed, and now I'm going to change this as a A, so this as a B. It's already broken the high, so this will be the B, and we are looking for that C wave. So this wavelength, if the rejection, so I'm expecting that this zone, I'm expecting that 1835 to 1840 zone, I'm expecting here. Shit, one second. Yeah, this zone I'm expecting, but what we expecting, market will do contrarian, right? It will come to like this, it will come like this. So again, what we will do, so what we thinking like this in 1830, and market is going from here itself, it changed, and I missed the trade means. See, because it looks like a correction and we are looking for this, but sometime market, this could be the A, this could be the connecting wave, and this could be the C, A, B, C. For this A, this is the B, and this is the C, and from here it can shoot again. Then this will become the connecting wave, and one more wave to the reach for that 1840 also. From here it can make a 5-way structure also, because if we did this as a ABC, but here, that is why here it's not looking like a 3-way structure, it looks like an impulsive wave. Here in this zone, here it's a perfect impulsive wave, it looks like for me. I'm not going to make it this as a 3-way structure in as per my mind, my view I'm explaining here. So I'm looking this one. Once it reaches again the 1800 zone, so this may happen, and then BB maybe, see, this is all only I'm expecting. So how we changed now? Previous I did this as an irregular flat formation and expected flat, everything I had written, and then everybody is like my chart, everything, and everybody now in behind me, they will laugh. They will laugh. Vijay is doing, see, these are all the view. I know whether this is going to reach the 1840, and he only told us that. See, there is a possibility. That is why I won't place the stop loss. I inform clearly. Market will do different structure apart from your view. Market will be a contrarian always. Sometimes market will support us, sometimes it will be a contrarian. So always be contrarian to your analysis. Even though I am expecting this, but I said, right, this is my stop loss. I clearly mentioned that. I placed a stop loss at 1878, and previous analysis, the RR will be 1:1 only. I am looking for the target of 1720 here. See, if this view is nearly, if this view is clicked, means it can do like this, right? Then ABC. So now it is doing different kind, and so we have to allow the market to do that own structure. So my view is getting wrong, means okay, next view is this one, waiting for this. If you making this as a structure and this is the impulsive way, and we are looking for this, and if you buy here, it can be anything, right? What we expected here, and what we are doing for one more high. If you buying here in this zone, market will do like this. So then we come to the conclusion, oh, B is already completed here itself. So A, B, C, so A, B, and it's already did, it's a small wave. We have to accept that everything. So I'm only if you did like this, if you are very aggressive trader, if you are you need to lose little bit, means according to your strategy, make it this as a stop loss at 1785. If it reach that $1815 stop and looking for that $40. That is a good risk reward. You can play like that, right? So silver, no change. That's it. It's already retesting this zone. So wait for this. What I informed, this could be a wedge formation, and it can come to the downside, and this could be the ABC. Nothing, right? We are expecting this, right? But it is doing something. So what it will do? Again, maybe one more low and one more high, possible. Otherwise, from here it can be come to the downside, possible. So once you have to be believe, and you have to too confident in your strategy, you have to apply. That's it. And you have to manage your losing position also. Market won't do always what we expected. Uncertainty causes a lot of things in this fundamentals, in this financial market. We have to uh, manage that. That's it. So now what kind of pattern is this? And I already informed that, right? Silver, it is doing a lot of messy overlapping everything, right? And it is not the clear picture, but in the bigger picture it's clear. In the bigger picture it's clear. One impulsive wave, it's done, and it's already broken this low. So either 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is already completed, and whether it is making a one more three-way structure is also possible. So I think you hope you enjoyed my analysis. I already covered everything. So happy new year, wish you happy new year, and we will see you the next week for that detailed analysis. And before that, I already sharing my a lot of positional views. You just go through that, and positional view means it's everything. It is in the weekly analysis. So hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and a happy new year. We will see you next week at the same time. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.